Now up to version 2.1 of the forward and reflected power monitoring and SWR monitoring. This is a system I'm building for clients' paging transmitters based on an Arduino R3. And here we have an active buzzer I've added, which the code is set to alarm for 5 seconds if the SWR is above a certain threshold, which I've got set for 2. I'm going to send myself a test page now, and a dummy load's attached to the antenna port on this paging transmitter over here. So everything should be normal. There should be no alarm. So let's send the page. There it goes through the system. And you can hear my pager beeping over there on the other desk, so that's working normally. So let's go over and change it so that we have high SWR and test it again. Okay, here we go. I have disconnected the load from the antenna port, so it's a totally open transmission line, and we should have an audible alarm. So let's send the page. There it goes through the system, and there's the audible alarm. Should be for 5 seconds. As you can hear, the page made it through the system, which is good, but the SWR is higher than 2. Let's go see what it actually is. According to the serial monitor over here, we had SWR up around 4.98 to 5.03. So we got that audible alarm. Everything is working as it should. Of course, the audible alarm will sound for 5 seconds, has a brief delay, then it goes back and reads the forward and power reflected power again. And if it's normal, then this alarm will stay in the off position. But if it's still high, it will sound for another 5 seconds, have about a 1 second delay, and go test it again. It just loops. So there we go. It's working great.